Bonjour à tous. Hello, everyone. I'm David Kenny, and I'm so excited that we've begun this discussion around privacy now because it's a complicated topic, far more complicated than we can address in a single session at Davos. The issue of privacy has moral issues, legal issues, social implications, and economic implications. I've always believed in everything we do in marketing that we must let the consumer make choices. We must let the consumer own her identity and decide how it's used. Anything that violates that pact with the consumer does not have a basis of trust. And a basis of trust is necessary for anything we do in marketing. That said, the problem we have in privacy is that the consumer doesn't know what she wants. She or he or they are inherently conflicted. On the one hand, people want to express themselves. They want to communicate with the world. They want to post videos like this on YouTube and Facebook and MySpace and Bebo and everywhere else that they happen to be communicating with friends and family. But they don't want employers to see those same videos. It's not possible. People want to have advertising directed to specific geographies, but they don't want to be tracked. They don't want it possible for everyone to know where they are. At the same time, these same people insist that governments should use tracking to follow criminals or potential criminals or terrorists or people who might be terrorists, but they don't know where to draw the line. People want to avoid advertising. They use their digital video recorders and other devices to block out messages that are irrelevant. They only want to see relevant messages. But yet at the same time, they're wary when data about them is monetized and sold to an advertiser. It's complicated. People are conflicted. I think we have no choice but to let them decide. We can't decide for them. We can't legislate it. We can't economically barter it. People own their identity. But we have to help people make the right choices, and this is where education is so vital. I hope we spend some time figuring out how to educate people on their choices, making it easy for people to make choices, making it clear and transparent what the implications are of choices made. We must protect the consumer's ability, the individual's ability to control their identity, but at the same time, we have to make sure they do it in an educated way, with a clear sense of the implications. And that is one of the outcomes I hope will happen when we all get together in Davos. I look forward to seeing you.